Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Farfadinata from 9.3. Now I will explain you about the material that I have been lesson in 9th grade. In the 9th grade I have been lesson so many material, and now I will choose the material from English lesson to be my material that I will explain. So I will choose the conditional sentence as a material from English that used to explain to the viewers. Now, if we talk about conditional sentence, we should know what's the definition of the conditional sentence. Conditional sentence, it was divided into two two parts. There was a part that explained about the condition, and in that condition, after that, in other part, it was explained about the result, and it can be reversed. So the difference about the condition sentence and the result sentence is the condition sentence is used if in the start of the part, and in the result there's no if. And the conditional sentence, it was divided into two. It was four. There was four type of the conditional sentence. There is zero, first, second, and third, and it have a different in the formula, and there was different in the how the condition and the results that there. Like in the zero, if we talk about the zero conditional types, so it was sentence of conditional sentence that it the thing that is the condition and the result, it was there and absolute, and it cannot be not there cause it was absolute. Like if we touch the fire, so we can get hit, it was absolute. And the structure, it was part, there was a present simple tense and the present simple tense, so two of the part use present simple tense. And we go to the next, that is first conditional sentence. It was like a zero, but it was not absolute and not always be there, not always be. Like if we talk about the when we get rain, so we will get wet. It was not absolute. Like if we there in the bottom of the tree or something, we cannot be wet. But if we there in the other that is not in the bottom, so we not get wet. So we go to the second conditional sentence. In the first conditional sentence, there was structure as present simple, and there was the present future for the result. Condition use simple present. And next is the second conditional sentence, that is past simple, and there was the past future. It was explained about the half of the probability that thing will do. Like if we talk about the half probability, we will take about coffee. The bitter coffee will be liked by every people. It was not absolute, it was not very absolute, but it was half. There was people that not like a bitter coffee, but some of the people like that, so it was half. And there was the third conditional sentence. It was structure of past perfect and past perfect future. It was It was explained about the thing that cannot be there, and it was not real, I think. And the example is like if we if if we if we there in the South Pole, we will feel hot. It was not real, cause in the South Pole it was very cold, and it was not solid and not real, so it doesn't make sense. So that's it. I'm sorry for all my faults in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.